Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the joint and making the first pass correctly. Clean to bare metal with acetone and a stainless brush. Contamination kills corrosion resistance. Once done, choose 308L or 316L wire matched to your base metal and use 100% argon or argon with 2% oxygen for stable arc. Set voltage and wire feed for short, controlled arc, typically 1822V and 8120, for common sheet and plate. Make a tack weld, then run a narrow, steady root pass at a 10-15 degrees push angle. Once the root is sound, continue with fill passes while managing heat and dilution. You want stringer beads or a tight weave to minimize heat input. Excessive heat sensitizes stainless and degrades corrosion resistance. Maintain a 10-15 degrees push angle and a consistent travel speed so beads wet into the joint cleanly, keeping arc length short, about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. Make sure interpass temperature stays below 300 degrees Celsius. If needed, pause between passes to cool naturally rather than quenching, which can warp or stress the joint. You finish by running a low heat cap that smooths the joint and minimizes oxidation. Lay short, overlapping beads, and avoid reworking the weld once solid. After cooling, remove spatter and any discoloration, then passivate with nitric or citric acid to restore chromium oxide. If things go wrong, troubleshoot porosity first. Verify shielding gas flow and nozzle integrity, replace contaminated wire or liner, and ensure tight fit-up with no gaps that trap gases. Make adjustments, then re-weld the affected area for a sound stainless finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.